Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by working with slightly damp locks so the clip grips without slipping. First, gather a medium claw clip, an elastic, and a spray. Have edge control ready. Make a clean part and lift the top third of your hair. This will be what you secure first. Once done, twist that top section loosely to reduce bulk and prevent chafing. This gives the clip a stable base and keeps tension off your scalp as you continue. Now you anchor the clip by rolling the first section into a loose coil. This creates a thick base so the clip catches hair instead of slipping. Place the claw teeth under that coil near the roots, then close the clip firmly but not so tight that it strains your scalp. Once secure, take remaining locks, wrap them around or tuck them under the clip in layers, and if you have extra weight, add an elastic around the base for backup support. This balances whole. To finish, check tension and comfort. Open the clip slightly and shift it to distribute weight evenly so no area feels pinched. Smooth edges and tame flyaways with a light touch of edge control. Avoid heavy products that attract lint. If it slips later, swap to a larger claw, loop an elastic around the base, or undo and redo the initial coil with a slightly tighter roll. That one tweak usually fixes most slippage problems and keeps your style secure all day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.